Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to do an unboxing of my Plum paper teacher planner for my 2018-2019 school year. I am new to Plum paper and thought I'd give them a try this year. First thing though that I wanted to mention was that my package came opened. The whole right side of the package was ripped off. So I don't know what happened in the process of mailing. I was a little frustrated with that. It could be a mail issue and not their issue, but I still will be letting them know about that problem, especially because I live in Southern California, which is close to their oceanside plant. So yeah, I'm going to be giving them a call about that. But anyways, I wanted to show you what it looks like inside. I have not opened this at all. I just cut it open and covered my address. All right, I purchased on the Mother's Day sale, and so I am seeing that I have the Mother's Day sale came with this dashboard that you can pop into your planner. It has to-dos and priorities for the day and tomorrow. So I'm not sure if I'll use this, but it was a freebie that came with it. I also decided to purchase their small journal with their meal planning pages. I will try and open this one-handed. I was going to add it into my teacher planner, but I decided that it would probably be best if it was separate. Plus, they just updated it, and it wasn't showing that it was updated on the website. So, let's see if I can get this open. Give me a second. Okay, so I took the cellophane off, and what this looks like inside is you have breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then some snack pages for each week. And you can keep track of them in here. It has quite a few pages, I think enough for the year. And that's what I believe it starts with. And then in the back, there's a weekly shopping list, which I do my shopping a little differently, but this still could be useful for extras. So every other page is a shopping list in there. Then at the back, there's your grocery store and market information, which looks pretty cool, and what you buy there. Favorite takeout restaurants for your family, and yeah, that's what that looks like. Their other one had like favorite meals in it, so I'm a little disappointed that that doesn't have that in here. But I guess when you start seeing the meals that you regularly use, then that would be the case on that. Anyways, I just thought I would give this a shot as I meal plan in this way for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for our family. So I'm going to use this, and I got the watermelon print just since it's food, and it is almost summer, and so I'm feeling kind of summery with my prints. I also ordered a bunch of stickers, and so these are all in a cellophane package as well. Okay, so the stickers that I got were, I think these, I can't remember the names of them. So I got this set. It's one sheet and two. I got two sets of these. So this must be their, like their regular lifestyle type things. So I got two sets of those. I got a teacher set of stickers. First day, last day, parent conference, which we don't use in our homeschool, but so some of these won't do something for me, but they're still thought I would use them. Then I also got the student ones because I saw that they would be helpful for me. And then I got household, like cleaning stickers to give those a try. I got 2 sets of those. And then I got 2 pages of their Christmas stickers just because I thought they were really cute and I would use them during Christmas time. So I got those. All right, and then my planner is in here. It is wrapped in a cellophane package. It's in good shape, so I'm glad that nothing happened to it. Let's pull this out and remove the box. All right, so this is the planner. The cover has a clear cellophane thing. It's a spiral bound and it's a pretty hefty planner, but I did get 13 months in my planner. So, and then the planner page itself, or the cover itself, is really sturdy too. So you have 2 sturdy things in the beginning. So then this is the cover page. It has 2 calendars for 2018 and 2019. It has your special dates. And then it has your ideas, plans, and goals sheet, which I think is really cool to put your things down that you're interested in and what you're planning to do for the months. I do wish that it started like over there with like July and went this way, but I understand why they have it this way. So then I have it starting in June just because my other planner that I'm using is done, and I'm going to be doing some school, like unofficial school with my kids during the summer, and thought we would start plugging things in and using it. And then these are my personal pages, and I personalized this section. So I personalized the edge with things that I knew, and then I left myself some 2 blanks just in case. And then I changed this column to be to-dos for the week. And then I want to start keeping track of the books that we read in each week. So I'm going to write them in here so that I have a record of them. So this is colored because this part is May and this is June. So that's why it's that way. And then we're going to have a Bible verse each week. And so I'm going to put that here. And then I left this one blank because I'm not sure what I'm going to end up putting in that section. It may just be like a sticker decoration page. So then you have the months already dated, pre-dated for you and ready to go. And I added in to-do lists at the end of each month because there's always things for me to do, and so I thought that would be helpful when planning and coming up with things. So whether that be a library list of books that I'm interested in checking out at the library, or things that I need to accomplish for co-op or whatever, and then that just repeats itself. Each month is a different color, which I like, and each month starts with this goal and a notes page. And then it goes, for me, it goes all the way to next June, because I'm hoping that it'll get us through the next school year, since we usually start in July, so I want it to go through June. And then there is a homeschool section here that has your mission statement as a homeschool. You can put your specific child, just one student, but I'm going to do all my students on one page. I decided to do it that way. Then I'm going to do a curriculum and resources page for each of the kids, since I only have 2, but that's what that is. And then supply lists, administrative, student items, arts and crafts, miscellaneous, attendance records, a reading log page. There's 3 of those. Extracurricular activities, grading log, and field trip log. So this is how that looks. And in the future, I may get to one for each kid in my homeschool. So that's how that looks. Then I have a checklist section, which I think it comes with all of them, that I may just keep track of grades in. Then there's a notes section with lined paper. And I added a travel section partially because we're going to be doing some traveling as part of our homeschool, and so I just thought it would be kind of a cool way to keep track of things. I'm not sure if I'm going to end up using it as much as I thought, but you can make a few different travel plans. I think quite a few, actually. So, and it has a spending ledger and all of that. And then in the back there is this pocket. And then it ends with, oh, it's a double-sided pocket. And then it ends with a cover sheet that looks just like the front. And then a plastic cover. So it's pretty sturdy, and I'm looking forward to digging into this next month. If you have any questions, please leave them below, and I look forward to seeing you at my next video. Thanks.